Okay, I did an earlier video on this, but it did not record. I didn't press the record button. But I just wanted to showcase this Plano case you can get here at Home Depot, right there, for about $14. And what I was saying is I went to American Key Supply. I bought the starter kit for the best keys. So basically, what I was saying in the other video that did not get recorded, you get most of all the keyways. You got 10 each. This is TB, and you know, all these right here will hold 10. You see the way they're positioned? That's because the doors are kind of deeper. The one right here is about 3/4 deep from these, so that's why I had to put them kind of like sideways here, you know, like that. So that's 3, 6. You could put 9 different keyways. I did the same for these. This one, and this one. So 4 times 9. That's how many keys you can put in there for the IC core. And also purchase some of the, you know, cylinders I already masticated. So after I decode them, I already can make my own system anyway. So, and this is the little hammer I bought from Lockmasters. Let me show you right here. It's from Lockmasters. You could probably, this is probably better to use for your when using, like I showed in my other video, the lab annex. Probably use this one to knock them out, or to rekey them, to put the caps back on the cylinders. I don't have the lab annex in here yet, but that's basically what I was gonna do to make this my IC core kit. And I haven't weighed it yet. My scale only goes up to, I think, 5 to 10 pounds, so I have to figure out how much that's gonna weigh. So, but I thought it was a pretty neat little thing to try to make all the, like, a kit for just IC core, you know. So basically that's what I was doing. I was putting like all the keys in here, and they're all filled with keys already, with the best keys, all the interchangeable core keys. The only thing that one of the packs they didn't send me till probably 2 or 3 months later because it was a back order. So I have to figure. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe sold out for some reason. But anyways, and I do have some. I put in here. I got this one from a class I was in. The best. I actually went with my brother to do this class too. But you know, unfortunately, he passed away last year. As many of you probably know already. So then this one came with the. I don't know. I think I bought it separate though. This one comes with the A2, A3, A4 to decode the keys. So alright, just wanted to share that with you. Okay, bye bye.